In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit labels in Google Keep. Labels in Keep are like folders you can apply to notes, so keeping them clean and accurate saves time. I'll walk you through managing them on the web and show you how to update labels right from a note on any device. On a computer, start by opening keep.google.com in your browser. In the top left, click the main menu to open the sidebar, then choose Edit Labels. This brings up your full list of labels in one place. To rename a label, click the small pencil or edit icon next to its name, type the new label name, and click Done. Every note that already had that label will update automatically, so you don't need to touch each note. If a label no longer serves a purpose, click the Delete or Trash icon next to it and confirm. Deleting a label simply removes that label from your notes. It does not delete the notes themselves. A quick tip here. Managing labels from this Edit Labels screen keeps your label list organized independently of your notes. It's a great way to standardize names, fix typos, or consolidate duplicates. You can also manage labels directly on a note. Open the note you want to organize. Look for the label icon. If you don't see it, open the three-dot menu and choose Labels. You'll get a checklist of your labels. Check the ones you want to apply and uncheck the ones you want to remove. This is perfect when you're already working inside a note and want to tidy up without leaving the page. If you like speed, there's a shortcut. While typing in a note, enter a hashtag followed by the label name, like #travel or #budget. Keep will create that label if it doesn't exist and apply it to the note right away. It's a fast way to categorize thoughts as you write. If you change your mind, just go back to the Labels option in the note and uncheck it. That's it. By using the Edit Labels view for big cleanups, the note-level labels for quick adjustments, and hashtags for instant tagging, you'll keep your Google Keep workspace streamlined and easy to search. Your changes sync across devices, so what you adjust on the web shows up on mobile and vice versa. Take a minute to review your labels now and enjoy a cleaner, faster note-taking experience.